You know what's crazy? No matter how stressful life gets, the moment you sit on your bike, everything just fades away. No noise, no pressure, just you and the road. People think bikes are just the machines, but if you ride, you know it's way more than that. It's not about going from point A to point B, it's about what happens in between. The wind hitting your chest, the sound of the engine, that slight vibration in your hands, it feels alive. And every bike has a personality. A Royal Enfield Classic 350 feels calm, strong, like it wants you to cruise. A KTM Duke 390, that thing just wants you to attack the road. And then there's bikes like R15, sharp, precise, built for control. But here's the truth, it's not the bike, it's you. The bike just amplifies who you are. If you're calm, it flows with you. If you're aggressive, it pushes you harder. Even in traffic, when everything feels stuck, a bike gives you a way out. Not just physically, but mentally. You're still moving, still in control, still free in your own way. And that feeling when you hit an open stretch, you twist the throttle, and for a few seconds, it's like the world disappears behind you. No phone calls, no expectation, no one telling you what to do, just decisions in the moment. Brake, accelerate, turn, that's it. Simple. Honestly, some of my best thoughts come when I'm riding. Some decisions, some clarity I didn't find sitting in a room, I found it on two wheels. That's why riders don't need a reason to ride. We don't ride because we have somewhere to go. We ride because we need to. So next time someone asks you, why do you ride so much? Just smile and say, you wouldn't understand unless you ride.